Oh, sorry. We are not here to see the MI3. Indeed, after long wait, MI has finally launched MI Smart Band 4, and this time with a color edition. Seriously, guys, we have waited long. Finally, it came to India. It says India #1 wearable brand. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. By the way, welcome to my channel. This is Saikat. You are watching Pichee, Dekhoo. Let me tear the seal. So let's see what's inside. Oh, maybe the wrong way or the right way. Yeah, this is the right way, I think. Oh, finally. Before that, let me see some specification. It says AMOLED color touchscreen with heart rate monitor, waterproof, and music control. Wow, this music control is a new feature. This was not there in Band 3. And if we see here, all looks good. It's original one. Yes, it comes to India at a price of 2299, but it says 2499, but we are getting it at 2299 in Amazon and mi.com. So guys, you can go and buy it. Yesterday was the first sale and I have bought this on Amazon. Link will be in the description. So let's unbox it. Let's open it. Watch. Oh, before that, let's see what's inside. To open this, some paperwork I can see, some manual. Let me keep it aside. What's more, okay, the charging cable. Okay, now they're giving a new charging cable. It says MI. Now let's get back to the device. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, this is okay. It says pair first. Will not able to do anything except that. Let's see its build quality. It's look same like MI3. Once let's compare both the thing. As you can see, it comes with a color, and this is black and white. Comes in a new design also. We'll compare this in a separate video. Let's see. Let's fire up. So MI Band we have first. I already have MI Band 3, so I will add device. Yeah, obviously a band. It says it will collect some information. Okay, just searching for my band. It says pair the phone. I say okay. Pair successfully. Oh, that's great. It says 33% charge I have in this device. Activate new device. If you activate multiple devices, only okay, no problem. Activate this one. Okay, no problem. Let's wait for some minute. Oh, it's activated. Okay, let it go on. Let us see this, what's there. status, heart rate, workout, weather, notification, and more. We'll try to change the face afterwards. Let's see what's there in the status. Okay, these all are there. Then heart rate, this we need to check afterwards. Workout, weather says 28 degree. Okay, that's great. Cool features. Notification, I have no notification now. And more. That's DND, alarm, music system. Yeah, this one, music system, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent, band display. Let's see the band display. Oh, this looks cool. Let me keep this one. That's great. So what my device is, oh, I can keep a band lock here. That's a new feature. Okay, try now. It says just a second but a second has gone. Oh, it's updating. I think it's updating some features. It will take some time, no problem. Till then, let me show you the band strap. It's similar to the MI band tree. It's all look same with the colored device, and obviously it gave the music control. So guys, see which one you like. It's MI3 or MI4. Do you really think it needs to be updated from MI3 to MI4? Please comment below, and let's see how it works. Now I will wear both my watches in both my hand. Let's see. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can give you more contents. Goodbye. Thank you.